My people, everywhere, good. Nigerian immigrations has done it.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. A Ghanaian lady was terribly abused. Yes, she was abused on her way to Nigeria by a Nigerian immigration officer. So she came online and she shared her experience, how this Nigerian immigration officer treated her, guys. Let's read from her statement. Ghana Immigration Service. See what Nigerian immigration officer did to our Ghanaian lady. So you see, on Saturday, the 15th of November, I had a disturbing encounter with Nigerian immigration officer while traveling from Lagos to Lome. At the Agbara checkpoint, the officer stopped our vehicle and asked us to exit. When questioned about my nationality, I stated that I am a Ghanaian and was asked to produce my passport. I informed them that I did not have it with me and provided my Ghana card instead. The officers took the card and instructed me to meet with their superior. The superior asked for my passport and I told him I did not have it with me. He then said, "You are a Ghanaian. I hear Ghana immigration has been embarrassing Nigerians. I will also embarrass you." I replied, "Don't say that. There are a lot of Nigerians in Ghana." Before I could finish, he slapped me. Wow. The officer then attacked me, hitting my head from all angles. They asked me to sit on the floor and poured water on me. They held me for 2 hours and released me after taking the only money on me, 10,000 sefa. I was so traumatized that it did not occur to take pictures. Oh my God. So this is how this Ghanaian lady was treated on her way to Lome. I don't know what took this very lady to Nigeria. Is she a Ghanaian based in Nigeria, or because I do not understand. If you are going to Lome from Ghana, you should, from Ghana, you guys share border with Togo now. I be Togo no be Lome. So I believe this very lady is maybe she stays in Nigeria. Nobody's objecting the fact that Ghanaians don't reside in Nigeria. Okay. The problem here is that Nigerians want to be treated like king and queens in another man's land, but they don't want to treat foreigners the same way they want to be treated in another man's land. That's exactly my point right now. And I do not see the reason why this man will be unprofessional by treating this lady this way. See, you guys are the same people calling Ghanaians your brothers. You said you Nigerians, you are the big brother to Ghana. So what's happened? What's happened? This immigration officer. You see the reason why I always say that you guys don't you don't employ people that are capable. If not, what is the meaning of this? If this man is really capable and he's the superior, if a superior would treat someone this way, hey, how about those ones now, those kayashi, they call them kayashi. You know what kayashi means? Those ants. How about them? How would they treat us? Now I see the reason why. Now they teach them how to treat people so bad on the road. If not, why did you treat a foreigner this way? You are the same people that will come online saying, there's no country that treats foreigners better than Nigeria. I can see your hospitality. They say charity begins at home. So where is the home? Are Ghanaians not your brothers and sisters? Are they not? Look at the way you treated your sister. Mr. Immigration Officer, I wish your picture came. The way I will give it to you, I will show you, say, this one, kaki no be leather. Now, it's because of you, this immigration officer. Yes, your kind are the reason why we are being treated bad in another man's land. So because you are a civil servant and you don't travel, so you think you can treat people anyhow, right? All right, I see. Guys, a lot of Ghanaians reacted to what happened to this Ghanaian lady on her way to Lome. Let's hear what they have to say.
So this is what the Nigerian immigration are doing to Ghanaians in Nigeria. You see, even the immigrations don't have sense. They do not have sense at all to go on in Nigeria. For you to molest a woman like this, This is not funny. And authorities should do something about this. You should do something about this incident. And all those perpetrators should be brought to book. Or else, I said, or else. Power. Yes. Whatever.
So about this Ghana card and passport, let me share my experience when I was returning back from Nigeria. Yes. So what really happened is that I had two Nigerians that were using their national identity card, which is called NIN, right? NIN. So they were being stopped at Aflawo border, and Ghana immigration delayed them. Yeah, because of those two people, they delayed us. We spent about 2 hours at the border, and that's because they insisted those Nigerians will provide their passport. That right now they don't use ID card. So I don't know. I do not understand. So maybe it's true. If not, why would they request for our passport? Because that's the same thing Ghana immigration was requesting from those two Nigerians. Yes, they were requesting for their passport. So I want to know if this is a new rules, because ECOWAS said we can travel with our ID card, any valid ID card, right? So I don't know, maybe if the rules have changed, they should let us know so that we can publicize it for people to be aware. Yes. Well, so this is how this Ghanaian lady was treated. So guys, I want you to drop your opinion. Do you think this Nigerian immigration officer did well or not? As for me, he did not try at all. He did not try at all. She isn't supposed to be treated the way he treated her, no matter what. Even if Ghana immigration are treating Nigerians bad, do you know what Nigerians are doing before they are being treated bad? Ghana immigration cannot just see a Nigerian that has not done anything, then he will start punishing him for what he do not know anything about. They are just doing their job. They're just doing their job, okay? They are not like you guys, you, this Nigerian immigration, they're not like you, that you guys will leave the job that you are being sent to do and focus on something different just for you to get little change. They are not like you guys, so they go straight to the point and tell you this is it. And if you cannot go by it, they will keep you. They will keep you. Sometimes they even deport people from the border. So now you see the difference, right? I don't think this woman was treated right, and she deserves an apology. So guys, share this video. Share this video. Let it reach to the Oga Patapata of Nigerian immigration. Let him know what is happening in that border, because you guys are not treating us the way we should be treated. They did not even leave us Nigerians, talk more of foreigners. Now, I want to show the Nigerian immigration the reason why Ghanaians are scared of Nigerians coming into their country. You know, there's a saying that said, once bitten, twice shy. That's exactly what is happening to Ghanaians. They don't want to tolerate those kind of habits again in their country. Nigerians are coming into their country and committing all manners of crimes. Now they are saying enough is enough. And you, Nigerian immigration, are questioning their action. I beg. Just like the way the Ghanaians will say, fioko. Well, take a look at this video. By the time you finish watching, I believe you'll be in the same lane with us. Let's watch.
Adulteration of different types of lubricants. We have engine oil of the popular brands in Nigeria. Then we have the .3 brake oil. We also saw a lot of labels. Labels of the popular brands. Amongst those labels also there is the Sun Bancap logo. This is light oil, water and color to make it look like fluid. It knocks engines, it knocks industrial machines.
My people, everywhere goods. Nigeria has done it again. So this group of Nigerian bolabes who are now manufacturing adulterated machine oil, engine oil, ladies and gentlemen, in other ways, these groups of Nigerian bolabes are producing fake engine oil. So now, Nigerians, they sell them cheap. Their own is cheap. Their oil is cheap. Ghana oil is expensive. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what these Nigerian baller bears are manufacturing and selling in the market. They have the original logos, paste on it, and be selling it. Just ordinary water and color. Ladies and gentlemen, are these people not wicked people? You buy a car, millions of cities, millions of dollars, millions of naira, and then these polar bears use this fake engine oil to crush the engine down, crush a whole factory down within a minute.
What be this? What be this?
You are a driver. You know this very well. Sometimes you will be traveling and say, oh, my engine oil is down. The car was just moving perfectly, but my engine oil is down. Let me top up with just 1 liter. Dear, your engine will lock. Your engine will lock. These are the causes. Black food. Also adulterated. And it will cause accidents. But you know, these people don't care. These people are not humans. They don't have conscience.
In a smoky book.
You think so they're wise? Where the money day? Now that side, where did they face?
You are a mumu man.
Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to Nigeria's authorities for arresting these groups of Balabes. And the law should deal with them very, very well. Because these people have unalived a whole bus with fair brakes. They are the cause of all the accidents on the streets, on the road. And if you are Ghanaian, and you are going to buy engine oil, please check very well. Turn it, and check the logo very, very well. Because these people cannot be trusted. A way to tell a visitor, I am tired of you, is to yawn. Tell him or her, my eyes are heavy. I need to sleep. Ladies and gentlemen, a word to a voice. I am here as your Nyash president and as eye-opener. Ladies and gentlemen, check very well. It is better to buy it expensive than to buy it fake from these fake people. Yes, still power to the Nyash. So, Obina, who is former Access Bank head of operations, allegedly forging documents and diverting, listen carefully, forging a document and diverting a customer $510,000 from his account. Ladies and gentlemen, we have banks. We are hardworking. Ghana is jealous of us. Now, even their bank sector, this is Access Bank. Access Bank, former head of operations. They thief money from bank. They thief customer money inside bank. Ladies and gentlemen, if we talk, you say, we are jealous of Nigerians. Ladies and gentlemen, this one now, as he's working in the bank, stealing customers, their customers, saving in the bank money. So, are we safe now? This is a whole Access Bank we are talking about here. This is Access Bank, And this thing happened once he is head of operation 2024. This year, he was just arrested this Thursday. Just imagine. Just look at this. Are we safe as a country?
I will do Thanksgiving.
This one now, they are doing claiming they have banks. They have banks in Ghana. They have banks in Ghana. I will not say anything. Please, if you are here, they check your account. If you are Ghanaian, they check your account frequently. You don't get me now. They check your account frequently. You don't hear me? Sometimes you transfer money to your account and the money will lock. Until you take your balance and call them and say, oh, we are sorry, you will do it. You don't hear me? So they check your account balances always. This thing happened 2024. Now that they have arrested this Nigerian Bolabe, who is also Manchester United fan. So Manchester fan, one of your colleagues, go thief money. Go thief money. Go thief money. Yes. Yes. Anyway, thief. Power to the nyash.
I beg guys, so everything that has a beginning also has an end. I've come to the end of my video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do all to like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many as out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you guys always. And I want to apologize for the background noise. Okay, construction is still going on in my apartment. I love you. Bye.